Next topic is master file table. The size of each record is up to master file table. Already we discussed the size of each record. Okay, the size of each record is up to 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes. Master file table, this is the file. For example, this is the file consists of number of records. Okay, this is the file consists of number of records. This number of records nth position is 1024 bytes. The size of each record is up to 1024 bytes. And another point is each record fragmented into multiple files. What is meant by fragmented means fragmented into multiple files. For example, this is one record. One record is fragmented into number of pieces. Okay, fragmented into number of sub pieces. Sub files, we have to divide the file into number of pieces. All this is known as attribute IDs. All this is known as attribute IDs. In master file table, we have two types of files are there. First one is the resident files. Okay, first one is the resident files. And the second one is the non-resident files. First one is the resident files and second one is the non-resident files. First one is information is stored in, for example, any type of information is stored in inside master file table. Inside master file table means inside master file table is a very less space, means 512 bytes. It is very small. In non-resident files, information is stored in outside master file table. Okay, it is very large. Very large means how many bytes means greater than 512 bytes. Greater than. We have some master file table lists are there. 0 into 10 is dollar standard information, means it is creation or alteration of a file. 0 into 20 it is dollar attribute list. 0 into 30 dollar file name, it is used for only long file names. 0 into 40 dollar object ID. 0 into 50 dollar security descriptor. 0 into 60 dollar volume name. 0 into 70 dollar volume information. 0 into 80 dollar data. 0 into 90 dollar indexed route. 0 into A0 dollar indexed location. 0 into B0 dollar bitmap. 0 into 10 and it is reparse point. Last three are 0 into D0 dollar EA information. 0 into E0 dollar EA. 0 into 100 it is dollar logged utility stream.